What's up, y'all? Card Guy 365. I have a 9-pack booster of the YuGiOh Invasion Vengeance. It is English edition and it is first edition. This is 9 cards in every pack. There are 48 common cards in this set, 20 rare, 14 super rare, 10 ultra rare, and 8 secret rare cards. So, let's see what we get. Alright. The first one we have is the Performapal Seal Eel, and he is a common. Alright. The second we get is a Chemicritter YuGiOh. Still looks pretty cool. I like the artwork on these. These are pretty awesome. We have a Sci-Frame Multi-Threader. The third. A Kriston Impact Trap card. A Super Heavy Samurai Ninja Saritubi. And he's looks fairly rare. A holographic Subterra Behemoth Stygo Kraken. Alright. A Poly Chemicritter Hydro Dragon. Or Hydro Dragon, sorry. Or Hydreigon. Ugh. And a Dino Sewing. And a Performapal Flip Hippo. So that's what we got in that one. Alright, not too bad. We didn't get any, like, ultra rare or anything, but didn't do too terrible. I appreciate y'all watching. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you would. And I will see y'all next time.